or something. Hey, Sue! I found a moon rock!
It doesn't look very special, Sammy.
How can you say so? I saw it fall from the sky!
Wow! You have such a rich imagination, really!
Then, let's go to the moon! I'll prove it to you!
And how will we get there?
Duh! Aren't we supercrafters? We can build a rocket!
Your plan can actually work. I have an idea. First of all, we need a large piece of cardboard. Now let's draw a few circles. And that's what we should have.
Whoa! They look like planets!
You're absolutely right, Sammy. And now, pow pow pow! Voila! This part is done.
What is this? Swiss cheese? I don't get it.
You will, and very soon, Sammy.
I think my invention will work better. Ready, steady, go. Ouch! Epic fail.
These are too small to keep you in the air. Better help me here.
Let me do it. Let me do it, Sue. Not as easy as I thought.
Still, you did great. Now it goes here. And off these go.
Is this the next piece?
Yes. And here's another one.
Time to decorate.
I know. It's our favorite, right? Yellow-colored paper goes here. And this one looks just like a starry night sky, isn't it?
How about this baby blue color?
Oh, it looks super cute. Okay, the main part is finished.
Sam's mobile laboratory has arrived. I'll prove that this rock is from the moon. We'll conduct a series of experiments. What's first? This blue reagent should reveal the truth. That's not quite the reaction I expected. I see. Okay, let's use a different method. This red liquid must help me prove my point. Oopsie! I guess something went wrong. I give up.
Sammy, please, no more experiments. And while our slime is busy cleaning up, I'll build the main mechanism. Let's make this piece brighter.
Sue, could I conduct one more test, please?
What do you have in mind?
Let's break the rock apart. What if there's something cool inside?
I don't think it's a good idea, Sammy.
What about covering it with toothpaste then?
Please, no. I won't survive another chemical reaction. Huh, it looks cool. Beep, beep. I'll place it here and cover the gap.
Hey, I have a genius idea, Sue! And no chemical reactions this time, I promise. I'm gonna check if it's made out of metal.
Oh, Sammy, what's happening?
Wow, weightlessness! This rock is really from the moon!
All right, I believe you. Just please, no more experiments.
Fine.
Great, then I can start building balconies. Looks a bit boring. That's better. Here we go. And here's the back wall. Now let's do some drawing, space style.
Sue, I'm worn out. I'm gonna go catch some Z's.
Sure thing, sweet dreams. And I will relax doing this. And finally, here comes the moon. I think I only need yellow and blue plastic straws. Perfect! Now I need a thread. Be right back.
My precious.
Sammy, but we're already building the rocket. You have to find it.
But how?
Think hard, Sammy. Who could have taken your rock?
Thinking mode activated. I know. It must be Ken. You know, he used to take our stuff before.
Oh, right. Then go investigate this mystery. And I'll continue building our rocket. I gotta move these threads through the straws. It works better when you do it slowly. Let's test it. Yay, it works. Now, a little cut. And repeat everything on the other side. There we go.
Hey, Ken, you home? Weird, no one's answering. Oh, I can just use the elevator. 3rd floor, please! My granny moves faster than this thing. Finally! Now where could Ken hide my moon rock? Nope, nothing's here. I know, it's in the fridge. Gotcha! Oh, in the closet? No. But I can't be mistaken. Ken just hit it really well, that's all. Wait, what is this? Wow!
What's that?
What? Sam?
Found ya!
What are you doing here?
You know what? Where were you last night?
Oh, I was at a party.
That's true. We went there together.
Huh? But then who took my moon rock?
You're what? I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's a real rock from the moon. Maybe you saw something suspicious?
Last night, nothing. But this morning, I went for a walk in our forest and heard very suspicious sounds.
So forest, huh? I gotta go now. Oh, and thanks for the help, guys. Huh? Who are you?
Who are you?
Slime Sam, crafter from Tibidaba.
And I'm Zoltar. I've arrived from Proxima Centauri b.
Wow, I've never met anyone from that far away.
It's my first time here too. I was flying by your planet when my spaceship broke down. I lost the moon rock, an important part of the engine. I found it, but someone has ruined it by using a magnet.
Oh no! How could they? But you can get a new moon rock, right? We're building a rocket to go to the moon. You can go too!
It would be great.
Sue, look, this is Zoltar. He also needs to get to the moon.
My spaceship is broken, and now I'm stuck here.
Oh, don't worry. We will help you. You can fly on our rocket. It's almost finished. I'll add a few more layers to make it stronger. Now I'll cover it with a protective layer from all the sides.
Sue, I've chosen these colors.
Lovely. Well, what do you say?
Wow, it looks really cool. Okay, Sue, gotta go to the moon. Bye.
Wait! It won't fly this way. First, we need to attach the rocket to these strings.
I've drawn Zoltar. His portrait should be here too.
You're right, but let's color the picture first. Now, I'll carefully cut it out. Oh, what a cool guy. He'll look good here.
Sue, we definitely need to write my name on the craft.
Sure. How about we write it here? Awesome! And finally, I'll draw some stars.
Wow, it looks so cool. Cool. Can we launch the rocket already?
Almost. We still need to make energy balls to fuel our rocket. Here is one, but we need as many as possible. All done. I think it's gonna be enough.
Finally! We can set off on our space adventure. Are you coming, guys? Let's go!
Wow, it's the moon!
Whoa, I've never seen so many moon rocks.
Awesome! So do you believe me now, Sue?
I do, Sammy. Amazing! But it's time to go back.
Sure. I'll only leave this here. Guys, like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed our moon adventures.
See you soon in our new videos. Bye-bye!